In this lecture, I will tell you what you will need while doing this course. This whole course is about wireless hacking, so it is best to have your own wireless network. If not, you will face many obstacles. As a result, you cannot prepare yourself because you cannot practice well. Okay, you also need a router. That will be the case with any brand. And lastly, you need a USB Wi-Fi adapter. The USB Wi-Fi adapter must have monitor mode support. Okay, for buy, go to browser and search monitor mode supported USB Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, see, showing huge result. Okay, only 63 millisecond. Okay, go to this page with new tab. See, best Kali Linux compatible USB adapters 2021. Okay, see, most popular Kali Linux pen testing wireless chipsets. Okay, with model. Okay, see, best Kali Linux pen testing USB adapters 2021. Okay, first check this. Okay, here has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, see, alpha and model AWUS 036NH. Okay, you can buy this. Okay, this is Amazon website. Okay, now check another TP link. Okay, see, okay, you can use anyone if supported monitor mode. Okay, after buying, then you need to install driver. Okay, you when you buy, they also give a disk. Okay, you can also download this drive on the internet. Okay, suppose buy this wireless adapter. Okay, for download this drive, okay, copy this. Okay, then paste and search this model on the internet. See, here showing Alpha's website. Okay, see, alpha.com product. Okay, and this model showing. Okay, open it, new tab. Okay, see, okay, showing this wireless adapter. Okay, here is description about this adapter. Okay, go to now download. Okay, select Wi-Fi USB adapter. Okay, now here showing every model. Okay, we need this model. Okay, Control F. Okay, nothing show. Okay, check there. Okay, AWUS 036NH. Okay, see, okay, go to there, click there. Okay, now see, showing Linux, Mac OS, okay, QIG and Windows. Okay, this time I am using Windows operating system, so click the Windows and download this. Okay, see, 40.86 megabyte. Okay, same thing, if you want to install this driver on the internet, okay, see, here is showing this model. Okay, copy this and just search on the internet. Okay, see, okay, go there. We can also add driver. Okay, open this page. Okay, see, showing download for TP-Link WN722NP3. okay, this is version, okay, software version. Okay, see, this is TP-Link website. Okay, every time try to use update version, because when find any bug or error, then they solve this problem and update this version. Okay, so if you use this, you can download this there. Okay, for download, go to driver, okay, and download there. Okay, then you need to install this driver. Okay, when you install this driver, you need to add your USB adapter. Okay, when you add USB adapter, with automatically connect your device with the driver, then install this driver. When your driver will install, then you need to restart your computer for goodly work. Okay.